So Ford Fiesta 2014, 15, something like that. Doesn't matter, all the same. So you break it open like this. I'll have a little bit of light, perhaps. Yeah. Then put your screwdriver over here, twist it a bit, click, clicks open. Oh, and it falls out already. Most of the time the battery holders, little plastic pieces, go bad. Look, it's broken off, so no big deal. You can press it with this part. It closes. You can order this separately also on eBay or your Ford local Ford dealer. Yep, let's put in the battery plus side towards plus side should be facing up. So install it like this. Up and oh, it's fixed. Up. Put this gently on top. Align it and crack it together. Click it together. Then you have the key up, and that should slide in easily. This one doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Huh. This will be better. Oh, it already works. If you're fast enough, it works. If you're not fast enough, what you should do is this: 4 times contact, and then you will hear a pling, plum, 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 and then you can push a button, and then it's programmed into the car, and then you can put on the contact, put it off again, you can program another key, and so on and so on. Hear it? I pushed the key and now it's programmed. Now you can push another one, take it out, stick another one in, program it also. That's how you do it. So, of course, contact is off. Can I lock the car? Ah, I can unlock it. And I can lock it. Well, what did you know? See you in the next one.